When Apple quietly retired the dark, brooding Intel iMac Pro back in 2021, power users across the globe were left in an unexpected vacuum. The standard 24-inch M-series iMac arrived with vibrant colors and impressive entry-level efficiency, but creative professionals, 3D artists, colorists, and heavy developers immediately realized it was never intended to be a true workstation successor. For years, quiet whispers from supply chain analysts, patent filings, and insider code leaks have pointed toward a massive, high-end desktop visual masterpiece being crafted deep within Apple Park. Today, that fog is finally clearing, and the picture coming into focus reveals an absolute powerhouse designed to redefine desktop computing for the most demanding workloads on the planet. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. The upcoming Apple iMac Pro is not just a spec bump or a simple color change, it represents a complete structural overhaul aimed squarely at reclaiming the high-performance desktop market with unprecedented thermal engineering, breathtaking display technology, and silicon efficiency that will completely disrupt the professional workstation space. To truly understand why the upcoming iMac Pro is generating such intense excitement across the tech community, one must look at the exact gap currently sitting in Apple's hardware lineup. While the Mac Studio combined with a studio display offers immense computational output, it creates a cluttered desk space with multiple external cords, power bricks, and visual compromises. The dream of the all-in-one workstation has always been about minimal friction, offering an ultra-clean aesthetic paired with raw, unthrottled computing power. The new iMac Pro is being engineered from the ground up to solve the precise thermal and mechanical hurdles that previously prevented extreme silicon performance inside an ultra-slim enclosure. Insider reports from supply chain observers confirm that Apple testing facilities have been running prototype chassis designed specifically around a massive 32-inch canvas. This is not merely a stretched version of the consumer model, it utilizes an entirely different architectural blueprint featuring dual-driver internal cooling fans, vapor chamber cooling plates, and custom-tuned directional vents that allow high-wattage silicon to sustain peak boost clock speeds without thermal throttling. The crown jewel of this upcoming workstation powerhouse is undoubtedly its revolutionary display panel. Supply chain tracking indicates that Apple has been working closely with top-tier display manufacturing partners to produce a custom 32-inch panel that bridges the gap between consumer displays and $1,000 reference monitors. Current leaks strongly suggest Apple will implement an advanced mini-LED display architecture featuring thousands of local dimming zones, delivering extreme peak brightness up to 1600 nits for native HDR content authoring, alongside full coverage of the DCI-P3 wide color gamut. Some insider rumors even hint at a potential ultra-high-end tier featuring quantum dot OLED tech, though mini-LED remains the primary front-runner due to its unmatched sustained luminance and immunity to burn-in during prolonged interface editing. Coupled with Apple promotion technology for dynamic variable refresh rates up to 120 Hz, scrubbing through complex video timelines, panning across high-resolution 3D viewports, and navigating complex software interfaces will feel unbelievably fluid and precise. Underneath this immaculate display lies the real beating heart of the iMac Pro, which is set to introduce a level of Apple silicon processing capability never before seen in a single integrated enclosure. Early architecture leaks indicate that Apple plans to offer configuration tiers spanning the highest bin Max variant up to the colossal Ultra chip configurations. This means users will be able to spec their machines with up to 32 CPU cores, split strategically between high-performance cores for heavy single-threaded computational tasks and high-efficiency cores for background system processes. On the graphical processing front, the top-tier configurations are rumored to feature up to 80 GPU cores, hardware-accelerated ray tracing engines, and dedicated neural accelerators capable of processing complex AI workflows locally without sending sensitive production data to cloud servers. The raw bandwidth offered by the unified memory architecture on these chips will allow video editors to play back multiple streams of uncompressed 8K raw video footage in real time, completely eliminating the need for proxy rendering workflows. Thermal dissipation has always been the ultimate battleground for all-in-one desktop computers, and Apple engineers are approaching this challenge with radical hardware innovations. The original Intel iMac Pro relied on high RPM blowers that could get noticeably loud during heavy rendering tasks, but Apple's Silicon's superior power-to-watt efficiency allows for a completely redesigned internal airflow system. Leaked internal component schematics reveal a dual-inlet centrifugal fan mechanism paired with a massive copper heat pipe module that draws cold air from hidden intake grills running along the bottom chassis edge. Exhaust heat is then silently forced out through concealed thermal channels positioned behind the display hinge. This thermal design ensures that even when the machine is processing hours of complex 3D raytrace scenes or compiling millions of lines of code, the operational noise levels remain virtually silent, providing an uninterrupted workflow environment for music producers and sound engineers who require strict acoustic neutrality in their studios. From a design and aesthetic standpoint, the upcoming iMac Pro marks a dramatic departure from the bright, pastel colors seen on the standard consumer iMac line. Apple is returning to its iconic professional heritage with a sleek, dark industrial language. Sources close to the industrial design team report that the new workstation will feature precision-machined aluminum crafted in deep space black and classic space gray finishes. The front bezels, unlike the light gray bezels found on the consumer models, will be ultra-thin and completely blacked out, ensuring that when the screen is active, the boundaries between the high-contrast display and the surrounding bezel visually disappear. This design choice is critical for colorists and image editors who require a neutral, non-reflective border to accurately judge image contrast and exposure. Furthermore, the chin area at the bottom of the display has been significantly reduced, creating a streamlined front profile where the panel itself dominates almost the entire visual footprint. Connectivity options on the iMac Pro are designed to meet the extreme demands of modern professional studios without requiring an endless array of dongles and adapters. The rear and side I/O layout leaks indicate a robust selection of ultra-fast ports, including multiple Thunderbolt 5 ports capable of staggering bidirectional data transfer speeds up to 80 gigabits per second, with bandwidth boost modes reaching up to 120 gigabits per second. This unprecedented bandwidth allows users to daisy-chain multiple external 8K reference displays, high-speed NVMe RAID storage arrays, and external PCIe expansion chassis effortlessly. Additionally, the stand itself is rumored to integrate a side-accessible high-speed UHS-3 SDXC card reader and a high-retention 10 gigabit Ethernet port built directly into the power brick or the lower chassis backplane, ensuring stable, ultra-low latency network transfers for local NAS storage servers and collaborative media environments. Audio and video capabilities on the iMac Pro are also receiving a massive professional overhaul tailored for the modern remote work and virtual collaboration landscape. Built directly into the top bezel is an upgraded 12-megapixel FaceTime HD camera featuring advanced center stage intelligence, hardware-level wide dynamic range, and enhanced low-light processing driven by the system's neural engine. Complementing the visual clarity is a studio-grade beamforming 3-microphone array with spatial noise suppression, engineered to isolate vocal frequencies while eliminating background room reverberation and keyboard clatter. On the sound reproduction side, the workstation is expected to house a 6-speaker sound system featuring force-canceling woofers and high-performance tweeters. This audio setup delivers deep, impactful bass extension without transmitting vibrational resonance into the desk or display glass, making it capable of delivering immersive spatial audio and Dolby Atmos playback right out of box. When examining the memory and storage configurations for the iMac Pro, it becomes abundantly clear that Apple is building this machine for high-stakes enterprise and high-end creative environments. Memory bandwidth is set to reach legendary status, with base unified memory options starting at 32 GB and scaling up to an astonishing 192 GB on top-tier ultra-chip variations. Because Apple Silicon uses a unified memory architecture, this vast pool of RAM is shared dynamically between the CPU and GPU, enabling unprecedented capabilities such as loading massive artificial intelligence large language models directly into VRAM or working with multi-gigabyte 3D visual effects scenes that would cause traditional discrete graphics cards to crash. On the storage front, high-speed solid-state drives will start at 1 TB and scale up to 8 TB configurations, utilizing multi-lane PCIe controllers that deliver read and write speeds exceeding 7,000 MB per second. The ergonomics and structural support of the iMac Pro have also been completely rethought to address one of the most persistent criticisms of previous all-in-one desktop designs. The new counterbalance stand design reportedly incorporates a dual-hinge mechanism inspired by high-end studio mounts, allowing users to effortlessly adjust both the height and the tilt of the massive 32-inch display with single-finger touch control. For setups requiring specialized mounting solutions, Apple is expected to offer a factory Visa mount adapter variant, allowing the display to be attached directly to articulated monitor arms, wall mounts, or broadcast studio rigs. This mechanical flexibility ensures that whether the iMac Pro is placed in a high-end video editing suite, an architectural drafting office, or an audio mastering studio, it can be positioned at the exact ergonomic angle required for prolonged continuous work sessions. To complement the workstation aesthetic and functionality, Apple is updating its lineup of wireless desk accessories specifically for the iMac Pro. Leaked photos and patent submissions suggest that the bundled Magic Keyboard with Touch ID, Magic Mouse, and Magic Trackpad will feature matching space black aluminum housings with dark matte keycaps in glass surfaces. More importantly, the hardware design of these accessories is finally addressing long-standing user feedback. The Magic Keyboard is expected to feature full-height function keys, enhanced key travel with refined scissor switches, and subtle backlight illumination. Meanwhile, rumors suggest that the charging ports across all desktop accessories are finally transitioning away from legacy connectors to universal USB Type-C, positioned conveniently so that accessories can be charged while in active use without interrupting workflow continuity. Software optimization will play a monumental role in unlocking the full performance potential of the iMac Pro silicon architecture. Apple's internal software engineering teams have reportedly been working side by side with major third-party developers including Adobe, Blackmagic Design, Maxon, Autodesk, and Epic Games to ensure that professional software suites are deeply optimized for the hardware matrix. Applications like Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Resolve, Logic Pro, and Maya will feature dedicated hardware acceleration pathways tailored specifically for the machine's media engine and ray tracing hardware. For instance, multi-camera 8K editing timelines that previously required heavy background caching will now render instantaneously, while complex 3D global illumination rendering will complete in a fraction of the time previously required on legacy hardware platforms.